Okay, so this is just a quick video to show you what would happen in a sales order with label connector from AccuWare, and this same sort of workflow would be true if we used purchase orders, sales orders, invoices. If you query an order and it's got multiple items on there, what this would do is generate, in this case, 5 print jobs to the printer that would all just come out one after the other, or you can unselect which labels to print. So in this case, we could opt to select just those 3 items. Just these 3 items will print with their information and with information from the header. Now in this case, we're just going to use a XPS printer that just generates like an image just for demonstration purposes, not send this to a real printer. But these would come out one after the other immediately. So let's just go ahead and print this job, and this will generate 3 files. We'll take a look at those. We'll just call the first one here test 1. And these again would be coming out and streaming out of the printer automatically. Without these screens would never come up, right? Because this is sort of an image-based printer, whereas if I sent this to a normal printer like a label printer, you wouldn't get these little screens that we're seeing here to see the printed result. You would just get labels coming out of the printer instead of these 3 screens. But again, this is a simulation. So alright, so we've generated those 3 print jobs for quantity 2, 4, and 2. Okay, so let's just open those up to see what printed. Okay, AccuWare test. Okay, open up these. So here we got the quantity 2, quantity 4, quantity 2. Okay, so you can see the result is we get all 3 of those print jobs producing labels. Again, these 3 sets of output would have gone each one into the print queue for Windows without any user intervention. So you saw me save file test 1, 2, and 3 there. But again, that's purely just so that we can show you on screen what would have printed. But with the printer attached, those 3 sets of labels for quantity 2, 4, and 2 would have been produced by the printer automatically without any user intervention, without the extra screens where I save those file names for test 1, 2, and 3. Just some clarification on how the printing would work in Label Connector. Very few user clicks required other than just pressing the print button and selecting which items to print. Unless you're going to print all the items for that order, then you don't even need to select the items to print. Thanks.